Okay, I am out and about finally because the sun's out, and I'm just looking at how beautiful everything is. Look at this colors on these little trees, and like it's just so gorgeous out today. Oh, do you feel that? The whoa. Okay, I mean, it's still here, but I am going to talk a little bit. But like all of a sudden, there was this blanket of calm and peace and just being like, I don't know, some of you might understand that feeling. I guess it's sort of the stillness that Eckhart Tolle and a few other people talk about. Like, it's just this peace and quiet, and like it's just beautiful. Even with all these cars, well, for a second there was no cars, but even with the cars it's still there. But I'm walking around and looking at the different colors and all the trees, and feeling the sun on my face. The air is so fresh. I feel like I'm floating almost. Like a unicorn. There's unicorns on that guy's lawn. That's cute. Oh. Oh, it doesn't look like it would smell, so I'm not gonna put my nose to it. But, oh man. It's a different kind of oh, look at that pillow. I mean, I'll pick it and throw it up in the trash, but there's no trash cans right here. It's an excuse. I really just don't want to touch that thing. It's been there for a couple of days. I don't have gloves. I don't know what's in there. It's excitement, but it's a different kind of excitement. It's not that hyper, like, almost manic place that I feel sometimes. It's more like I guess to describe it, like just a knowing that I'm exactly where I need to be, and everything is going according to plan, that I don't really have to do anything right now except be and enjoy what's around me because I know that my next steps are going to be revealed to me soon. It's just this, I think God's giving me a chance right now to just recharge for whatever He has planned for me next. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm resting, and I'm out in the world looking at how beautiful everything is, and just feeling the we're just part of it. Like, it's just like this tree, right? So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big branches off this one branch, but then like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more branches, and then like more branches. So it's like we're just part of something bigger, and it is the world. The world's like, it's like a body, right? Like, and where its arms and its fingers and its eyes, and each one of us is super important. It's like each blade of grass is special, but then it like it covers a space, and it all works together. It's not like maybe some grass is a little bit longer than others, or like some are sharp, some are really soft. Like, grass is all different, but when it comes together, like it serves a purpose, a bigger purpose. It's like each blade works together to cover the earth and to bring color and nourishment for certain creatures. And it's just beautiful. Look at the clouds. They look so cool. Yeah, I don't know. I may be getting a little bit weird, but that's just what's coming out of me right now. And I'm okay with that. It's just so beautiful. I'm gonna see if the bird's out, but I gotta be careful not to step in poop, because some people still don't pick up, and I can't let that bother me. Or, I mean, it could be coyotes too. I see a lot of coyotes. Nah, he's not out. I see a lot of coyotes. The other night when I was coming home, I saw 2. And they look healthy. Like, I don't think they're oh, what's this? I think that was a yellow ladybug. Anyway, yeah, those coyotes don't look like they're starving. So I don't think like we're messing too much with their environment. But maybe we are. Yeah, that's something that I've been thinking about a lot too. Like, there's got to be a balance of how we what am I thinking? How we exist together with everything else that's around us. Like, we don't have to be bulldozers, but nothing belongs to anybody. And I've said this before. So, like, if we could remember that nothing actually belongs to us, we're just here to take care of it while we're here. Maybe practices and procedures of how we build things and utilize resources and collect resources. Maybe if we could remember that it's just like we're just utilizing it and we're supposed to be taking care of it. If we can think that way, I think maybe, oh, that smells good. It's sweet. So yeah, if we can learn to like really coexist. Coexist, I guess, is the right word, but I'm just thinking about those stickers and like there's different interpretations of those stickers too and what they actually mean, but it is really about existing together and sharing what's been given to us. I mean, look how much beauty is around and like there is so much available, and if people would stop hoarding and acting like they have to have more and more and more, and that other people don't matter. Oh, look at how that tree, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and so you can see how it's dancing. Can you see it dancing? I don't know if you can see it dancing, but everything, it's just, oh yeah. See how it's dancing in the wind? It's just amazing, and I feel like I have bugs all over me, but that's okay. Well, look at the leaves just falling, and like the trees. This is what I was talking about last night, I think, about like we're all gardens and God's weeding, like pulling the weeds, you know, to make room for something else. Just like these trees, they're not holding on to the leaves. They're just allowing it to fall away because they know that when the time comes, a new leaf is gonna grow and they don't have to do anything about it. They know that they're solid. They're not gonna, losing a leaf or two is not gonna destroy them. It's just a part of the cycle. It's a part of life. It's the impermanence that my friend was talking to me about that I didn't understand at the time. But I do now. And that's it. Like, that's what it took me longer. So what? Look at this. So yeah, it's crazy when you like slow down enough to look at everything in a different way. It's really nice, actually. It's like, I don't know, it's just really, really beautiful, and I'm glad that I can share it with you in my own way. And like, I'm sure some of you get it. I'm sure some of you get it. So, bugs. Anyway, I'm gonna go and just enjoy this now, but I just wanted to share it with you a little bit. because it was really beautiful. All right, have a good day.